it's me, Shelpster. So today I'm gonna be showing you this handy dandy 360 over the head ring light. Let's get into it. Ooh, it's got a nice like base on the bottom. So it says to push forward. This is the double phone holder. Very nice. And then the remote. So this one goes on this guy. A little stiff. Look at that. There's some buttons on the actual thing right there. You can see power, turns it up or turns it down, the brightness, gets pretty low to pretty high. This goes right, this goes right here. Oh, I just gotta use my strength. Oh! That's as high as it goes for that guy. And this one has a little extender too. Would y'all look at that? Whoa! Check it! I really like how it's over. Like you can't see the base when you're recording. That's really nice. And then you've got the extra ring light for if you want some light. It's very convenient. Oh, I like that. So if you have this in, you can't move this light up or down like that. So this is totally free range up here. It's pretty cool. Just put your phone right here. You can turn it like any direction. So this is me using the overhead light. Oh my gosh, I love it. It is literally such a game changer. Wow. I never realized how badly I needed one of these in my life. If you do content creation or like product demos or anything, record yourself doing arts and crafts, this is the light. No joke. So that's with the light on. I'm gonna dim it. I'm gonna turn it back on all the way up, and I'm gonna turn it off. Big difference with that light. And I love how I can turn this. Literally so easy to put away, so I'm gonna turn the light off, take my attachment up here off, just like that, so I can put both of my attachments. You close it. I'm gonna make sure this is, there you go. Click it in there. It's hard to do upside down like this. Okay, now it's closed all the way, perfect. Up and then down, and same with this guy, up and then back, so that it can go in like that, and you just fold it and push it in. Oh my gosh, how cool! I've got the links for the product right down below in the description box. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and demo videos. Thank you!